Is AI gonna steal your job? This is one of the most common questions I get asked by my friends, family, like, is AI gonna start replacing jobs of the people we know? For those of you who don't know me, my name is John. My goal is to demystify AI for consumers and small businesses and try to make sense of this crazy technology. In this video, I'm gonna answer the question, is AI capable of stealing your job? Now, there's two things we're gonna cover in this video. The likelihood AI will steal your job and how you can actually get a promotion using AI at your current job. So let's start with the elephant in the room. Are you at risk for losing your job because of the recent advancements with AI? My general answer would be yes, you are at risk. If you do anything that has to do with numbers, spreadsheets, customer service, client representatives, sales, basically anything where your contact is virtual with most of your clientele or your job is done mostly online, your job is at risk in the short term. Now, you're not going to get replaced by AI specifically. You're probably going to get replaced by someone who understands AI. So if AI is capable of stealing your position because it's capable of performing the exact same tasks you can at a lower cost, what are you supposed to do about it? There's actually a fairly simple answer to this, and I would recommend that all of you start to kind of adapt the thinking that someone who understands AI better than you is going to take your position, not AI specifically. So let's say you're a receptionist and you're concerned that AI is going to replace your job. What are the main things a receptionist does? Receives calls, books appointments, answers emails, some kind of basic stuff that could technically get replaced by AI. So let's quickly transition to the second part of this video where I want to encourage all of you that there is actually not only a way for you to give yourself job security, but there's actually probably a way for you to get a pretty significant raise. A lot of the consulting I'm doing with businesses right now surrounding AI, my encouragement to them is, hey, don't lay anyone off, but let's set really lofty goals that might require you to hire more people. And let's see if we can empower your employees to achieve those goals without you needing to hire anyone else. So let's say you're able to go out and you're able to learn how to use AI to do your job more efficiently. Now, all of a sudden, you're able to handle twice the workload. Now you're able to go to your boss and say, hey, look, I've been able to integrate this, and this AI still relies on me to do my part, but I'm able to do twice as good of a job thanks to this technology. I'd like to discuss the possibility of getting a raise based on my productivity. This is actually happening all over the country. So what's the first step of kind of learning how to implement AI in your current position? Well, first of all, I want to invite you guys to my personal group. I have a school group where I'm teaching business owners how to integrate AI into their businesses. And so vice versa, if you're looking to protect yourself within your business, it would be good for you to learn how to use these tools as well. We have a 7-day free trial if you want to come join, see what you can get done. We have a course that is kind of a basics to AI. So it'll give you an intro into AI. You can complete that probably within an hour or two. So even if you just want to come in and use the 7-day free trial and peace out, I wish you the best of luck. Even if you just want to come use the 7-day free trial, get through the basic course and then leave, I totally get it. The course is there if you need it, and I would encourage you to get started with that. You can just start practicing using things like ChatGPT. You can use things like the BAI to increase the quality of notes. There's all kinds of different things you can do. But right now, if you are the type of person who's concerned that your job is at risk, my encouragement to you is run through the storm, not away from it. Start to spend time on YouTube learning how to leverage AI to be better at your position, to become a smarter, more educated person in your specific role. AI is an endless source of knowledge and it can help with productivity. So it's really important that you shift your thinking from, is this going to ruin my life and take this away from me, to how can I use this to make more money than I've ever made before? How can I use this to have more job security than I've ever had before? I guarantee you this is happening all over the place, and the only people that are getting left behind are the people who choose to do nothing. So I hope this video was kind of encouraging for you guys if you're concerned about your position. I hope for some of you this may have been a catalyst trigger point to get involved in AI. Be sure to subscribe if you want to learn more at a beginner level, and I'll see you in the next video.